heavens and the stars have aligned because these bananas are on their way out. And I just bought chocolate chips today, so it's time for my favorite dessert, like healthy peanut butter cups. Maybe 2 bananas, mash them up.
What are you making?
The peanut butter cups, you know help me?
Yeah, I would love to.
Mash them up, baby.
Like this?
Yeah.
I want to get a new one.
This is what we're making.
I got a new full cup of oats, right?
Mm-hmm.
1 full cup of oats. Next is peanut butter.
Let's do 2 spoonfuls.
I want to like a spoon.
Some of it.
More than 2. A couple hours.
Hours?
You might want to put on a movie while you're doing this, and there's only a few ways. Back to cooking.
2 cups of chocolate chips.
2 cups.
Not in there. Separate.
1 chocolate chip. Oh, maybe 2. In case
Robert, give them to me.
this as a kid, an adult for the to help you with the microphone. A tablespoon of coconut oil.
Coconut oil. It helps it stay melty.
Yes, melty.
It was in the microwave
Microwave
for
minutes.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
While the chocolate heats up,
No.
get a muffin tin
Muffin tin.
and put in your muffin liners.
Muffin liner. If you're wondering why we need baking cups instead of just putting it in there, it's because we don't want like it to get dirty or something. Mom, what's the purpose of having this? Don't stick to the pan.
We heated our chocolate chips up for 30 seconds. You give it a stir, another 30 seconds. Chocolate chips are melted.
Yeah, melted.
Stir.
Can I stir?
Sure.
I'm gonna stir actually. I tasted chocolate.
Chocolate in the baking tin first. Just 1 little spoonful just to cover the bottom. Not in your mouth. The other one's licking his foot. We gave it a nice thin layer on the bottom. Let's just put a little dollop of our banana oat peanut butter mixture in the middle. We're gonna freeze these. So they're gonna be like banana ice cream. Banana peanut butter oat ice cream. The oat just adds a nice little texture in the middle.
Put honey roasted peanuts on top.
You don't have to do this, but it adds a nice little crunch.
Yeah, it does.
Little sweet and salty. More chocolate.
Okay, freeze for 30 minutes.
Here you go, Robert.